Imagine a world where your smartphone is obsolete, where technology becomes a seamless extension of your life. The year is 2030. Ready to meet 5 game-changing gadgets set to redefine how we connect, communicate, and interact? First, we leave touchscreens behind with the rise of smart glasses 2.0. These glasses project crisp holograms and let you message, map, and stream with just a glance. No more looking down. The world around you becomes your screen. Next, neural interface bands take communication to a new dimension. These wristbands translate your thoughts into digital commands. Send messages, control devices, and compose emails with nothing more than intention, privacy, speed, and intuition converge. Imagine always-on virtual companions. These AI-powered earbuds blend natural voice assistance, real-time translation, and instant recommendations. Whether navigating a packed city or seeking advice, your guide whispers solutions in your ear. No screen, just conversation. Fourth, we enter the era of bio-embedded communicators, tiny chips under your skin for secure payments, health tracking, and effortless authentication. It's invisible, tap-to-connect access beyond the wildest dreams of today's biometrics. Finally, modular wearable displays let you snap flexible, paper-thin screens onto your clothing or accessories. Roll out a display for a call, then shrink it away. Customizability adapts to any situation, personal tech that truly becomes part of you. Smartphones change the world, but these innovations promise something far bolder. Technology so integrated, you might forget it's even there. Imagine a future where connection feels effortless, invisible, and limitless. The next era is arriving. Are you ready to take the leap?